Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the VLOOKUP function in Excel and how to use it smartly. What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a result from another column in the same row. Let's understand this using the example you see here. We have a product list with the following columns: product, product code, quantity, price. Now suppose we want to select a product like smartphone and automatically show its price, units and total amount using VLOOKUP. Let's write the formula to find the price of the product. Click in the cell next to price and type this formula. Now press enter and you will see the price of the smartphone, which is $499. To find the quantity, type this formula. Here column 3 gives us the quantity, which is 15 for smartphone. Now to calculate the total, just multiply the units and the price. You will get the total sale amount for the selected product. Use with data validation. We can also use VLOOKUP with a drop-down menu so users can select a product easily without typing manually. Here's how to apply data validation. Click on the cell where you want the drop-down. Go to the data tab in the ribbon. Click on data validation. In the window that opens, select list from the allow drop-down. In the source box, select the range of products. Click OK. Now you will see a drop-down list of products. Once a product is selected, the VLOOKUP formulas in the next cells will fetch the price, units and total amount automatically. This makes your sheet more interactive and error-free because user can only select from a valid list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.